So if I want to save something into Pickle, okay, first thing I got to do is import Pickle. And then Pickle relies on a file object, just like we've been using. So I'm going to create a file object. I'm going to use open, the name of the file, and notice here, it's not Warner Brothers, it's write binary. So I'm opening it for writing in a binary format. That's a new flag for us. We haven't seen that before. But when you're using Pickle, you have to open the file for binary writing. It's a special way of encoding the data that allows us to write that whole data structure into a file. The downside of writing into binary is that when we open that text file, it's not going to look like actual data. It's just going to look like a bunch of garbage. But that's okay. We don't need to read it. Only Pickle needs to read it. So we're saving our file. We're opening a file object. And then we're using Pickle's dump method. So pickle.dump. This is the object I want to save. So it'd be my dictionary, my employee dictionary or whatever. And this is the file object. And that's it. Then I close the file and I'm done saving it. When I want to load it, it's just as easy. Again, I'm opening a file object with the file name and read binary, so RB. This is important. If you don't use read and write binary, it won't work. So I'm taking that data object, so a variable that would be the dictionary or whatever I want to put it in, and I use pickle.load and that file object. It takes whatever's in that data file, puts it in the variable, and off I go. So it's